Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As the summers are coming, we are preparing ourselves for the forthcoming heat, dust, and everything which summers are famous for. So why not we prepare our cars for that intense heat and dust? And there is one of the common problem we all face. The windshield washer fluid is no more. The container has no more fluid left in it. So we often uses aftermarket washer fluids. Some of us uses just a plain water, which really doesn't work for me as of. So I found a way how to prepare windshield washer fluid by yourself in your home only, with very few steps and very few requirements. So without any further delay, let's get started. To make the windshield washer fluid, firstly we need to have water. That is, it's about 1.5 liters of water, and normal shampoo, which I have this shampoo pouches. Now the question arises, why I'm not using detergents and all. So the answer is, detergent have some small particles which can stuck in the fluid washer pipe or the nozzle, which we have cleaned in our previous video. So yeah, here we are mixing shampoo with the water. You can adjust the concentration of the water and shampoo liquid depending upon your condition of your city, how polluted your how dusty your city is. So you can adjust the concentration accordingly. I am keeping it just moderate. I am just using only 1.5 to 2 packets of shampoo. I have used 2 packets. Now we have to mix it well. As you can see, the foam has arises now, and we have to still shake it well so that the all shampoo will dissolve truly. I think the whole shampoo has been dissolved. Now let's fill it into the fluid bay. To fill the fluid, firstly we need to open the hood. So first of all, this is the knob for the hood. Now you can see it's locked already. So here there is a knob. You have to press that knob and you will hear the click, and now it's open. And this is the so this is the fluid container or the fluid bay. This. So I am putting the funnel over here, And this is our fluid, the homemade fluid, and we are filling it in. So I have filled 1.5 liters of homemade fluid, but the container is still not full. But it's okay. You can fill it and you can top up by the time. Now you know how to make it every time in your home. So now let's close it just by removing that hook. And this, now it's closed. So now as you can see this, the foam, it's of the shampoo. It will clean the windshield very properly and very nicely. Yeah, so this is the process to make your own and friendly windshield washer fluid in your home. Like, do it yourself. If you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button, and if you're still not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. तब तक के लिए